Hello, today I will show you top 25 things to do in Cologne, Germany. So let's start with the number 1, Cologne's Old Town. Number 2, Fragrance Museum. Number 3, Wallraf Museum. Number 4, St. Gereon's Basilica. Number 5, Rheinauhafen District. Number 6, Cologne Cathedral. Number 7, Belgian Quarter. Number 8, Gauss Saint Martin. Number 9, Ludwig Museum. Number 10, Imhoff-Schokoladenmuseum. Number 11, Kolumba Museum. Number 12, San Maria in Capitol. Number 13, NS Documentation Center. Number 14, Botanical Garden. Number 15, Romano-Germanic Museum. Number 16, Museum für angewandte Kunst Köln. Number 17, Bautrip on the Rhine. Number 18, Hohenzollern Bridge. Number 19, Köln Triangle. Number 20, FC Köln. Number 21, Gamescom. Number 22, Schnagge Museum. Number 23, Cologne Zoo. Number 24, Christmas markets. And the last one, number 25, Kirche Hafenhafen.